Rahu, the dragon's head. As in the Vedic philosophy and in any other astrology science, Rahu or the dragon's head are considered the shadowy planets. They are the ascending and descending nodes of the moon in the ecliptic drawn by us, as I have already explained. But mythologically, Rahu also tells his autobiography. Though I am born out of the demonish mother's womb, so my qualities were similar like that. But I was also very kind-hearted. When the churning of the ocean took place, they neither placed me on the demon side nor on the god side. I was born out of the same sage from which the sun was born. So I used to change in the form of demons and the angels. When the nectar was being distributed by Lord Vishnu, I changed my shape and sit in the lines of gods. The sun and the moon complained and Lord Vishnu beheaded me. The drop of nectar was inside my stomach, but my head becomes Rahu and the body becomes Ketu. So the two planets came into existence. Otherwise, they are like considered as the ascending and descending nodes of the moon. Behaves like the same in which zodiac sign it is, and with the planet it feels, though it has got diminished qualities, so dreaded one. Ketu, like the headless body, also behaves in the similar manner within the sign where it is placed and the planets it is attached to. Rahu, it is considered as a material planet, and Ketu is considered as a spiritual planet. If it is with Jupiter, it gives spirituality. If it is with Rahu, then it becomes the Chandal, means doing all the demonish acts on the earth, earning livelihood through power and ego.